Mike had a wood foundation that was starting to bow and crack his wall studs. He wants to finish the basement and make it kind of a man cave for himself, but he wouldn't be able to do that and have peace of mind knowing that his walls are bowing and that someday they might collapse in on him.
I'd say if he let it go any longer, then he'd run the risk of serious damage to not just those walls, but his entire house, since they're on both sides of the house.
A house is a big investment. You know, you want to protect your assets, making sure that everything is right and your house can last through generations.
EverBrace has alleviated his worries by fully supporting any pressure that comes in through outside of his walls, pushing on the wood. He's going to press up against the foam, which pushes up against the panel and the I-beams. So everything is locked in, screwed tight, fully sealed up. The I-beams and panels are all made out of steel, so everything there is secure.
Keep those existing walls without having to rip out a whole new one, but just basically gives them added support while giving a nice chrome finish to the old wood walls.
I like that at the end of the day, we're making an impact on people's lives and we're out here changing the community.
At the end, when you see the finished product, it really gives you satisfaction that you did something for the customer and you know the customer is going to be safe at the end of the day.
Have peace of mind that his walls aren't going anywhere and that they're going to be nice and sturdy for him so he can finally finish his basement and make this house a forever home.